Hey everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, I'll be giving you my top 3 VPN picks to use in Vietnam. Even though Vietnam is a pretty popular country in terms of tourism, their internet surveillance and rules are somewhat restrictive. In fact, Reporters Without Borders even labeled it an enemy of the internet due to the country's heavy regulations and censorship in cyberspace. So in order to share your thoughts and access the internet freely, you're going to need a reputable VPN service that will encrypt your data and protect it from prying eyes. That's why, in this video, I'll be showing you the process and giving you my top 3 VPN picks to use in Vietnam. And without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point in this video you'd like to check out any of the VPNs that I mentioned today, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. Now, before I show you the process and give you my recommendations for some of the best VPNs out there, it's important to note that this video is meant for educational purposes only, and I do not support or condone any illegal activities using these VPNs. So please make sure that your online actions are responsible and aligning to your country's policies and regulations. With that being said, the process is going to be really simple, and I'll be using ExpressVPN for demonstration purposes, as it's the best service currently on the market. First, you're going to need to open the app and go to the options menu on the left of the screen. Click on all locations and search for the country you want to connect to. Now, if you're not looking to access any specific content from a certain country, pick the closest server to your current location in order to get the best speed. For example, Cambodia and Thailand are the 2 closest countries to Vietnam. So we're going to connect to the ExpressVPN Cambodian server. Now, all we have to do is press the connect button after selecting the country, and that's pretty much it. One thing to know, however, is that not all VPNs are created equal, as some of them have a limited number of servers and others try to sell your information. That's why I made a list of my top 3 VPN picks in order to help you make a more informed decision and pick a service that best fits your situation. And so, I've been testing out some of the most popular VPNs out there, and I've narrowed them down to ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark as my top 3 picks overall. Now, all 3 VPNs work remarkably well with streaming services. They provide some of the best speeds, they're very easy to use, and they also have the necessary security features, such as a kill switch, split tunneling, and a bunch of protocols. But of course, they still vary in what features they offer and how much they cost. And picking out the best service for you will depend on what you're looking for in a VPN. So let me break down each service individually to help you make a more informed decision. First up, we have ExpressVPN, which is overall the best pick as it came first in most major categories, like speed, security, and privacy. Now, in terms of reliability, ExpressVPN has proven its commitment to protecting user data several times by conducting many audits over the years, on top of going through a real-life stress test where the Turkish government seized one of its servers in an ongoing investigation, only to find nothing that could be linked to any specific user. Now, other than that, ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, allowing you to access almost any content from all around the world. But what's so impressive about these servers is their consistency and reliability. Whether I'm streaming, gaming, or torrenting, I've had great speeds and uninterrupted connections. And besides being super simple to use, my favorite thing about ExpressVPN is how responsive it is across all devices. Launching the app only takes a few seconds, and connecting to any server takes a single second or less, which isn't something that I can say about any other VPN. And so if you're looking for the overall best, fastest, and most reliable VPN out there, ExpressVPN is your go-to. Next up, we have NordVPN, which offers the most value for money out of the 3 options. It's got some bonus features that make it a little bit more than just a simple VPN. Such features include threat protection, which blocks ads and malware-ridden websites and also protects your device from harmful files. And in terms of speeds, NordVPN actually rivals ExpressVPN, especially when it comes to gaming and overall performance. Although it's got over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, so 34 less countries, which means access to less content than Express, but more servers will mean that the user base is more widely spread across the servers, so basically more room for everyone roaming. And another thing I really liked about NordVPN is its intuitive user interface, which has a huge map of all of its servers, allowing you to pick and choose the closest server to you with a couple of clicks. And when it comes to device limits, NordVPN allows you to protect up to 6 devices with 1 subscription, as opposed to the 5 devices limit of ExpressVPN. And so if you're looking for the best value VPN, Nord offers a few more useful features, an intuitive user interface, and great overall performance. And finally, we have Surfshark, which is gonna be the best budget VPN on this list. Because unlike ExpressVPN and NordVPN, Surfshark allows you to protect an unlimited number of devices under one subscription, which is great for households and businesses. Now, it might not be as fast as these two, but it offers the essential VPN features on top of some bonus ones, like an ad blocker, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful in restrictive countries. Not only that, but it offers a huge server list of over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which gives it a lot of value. And so if you're looking for the best budget VPN that allows unlimited simultaneous connections on top of having the core features of a VPN, Surfshark is your go-to. So to sum it up, if you're looking for the overall best, fastest, and most reliable service with arguably the best privacy policy out there, ExpressVPN is easily your go-to option. NordVPN is going to be the one to get if you're looking for a well-rounded VPN that offers bonus features while maintaining great performance and security for a reasonable price. And finally, we have Surfshark, which is the best budget VPN as it allows for unlimited connections and it offers the core features of a premium VPN at the cheapest possible cost. Now, if you're interested in Surfshark, we have an exclusive discount we can offer for fans of our channel. And I'll show you how it works. So if you directly go to Surfshark's website, the deal you'll currently get is 24 months for $249 per month, saving you 81%. And with other channels and websites, you'll just get 2 free months and an 82% discount. However, if you use our exclusive coupon code, you'll be getting 3 free months in total, saving you 83%, which is the best deal available on the internet. And that's it for today's video. Again, if you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.